Hello.
We got more shredded chicken, but today's video is all about a begging dog. He knows his chicken. I like that. So we've already done one lot of these. Now we're doing another. There's about 4 different flavours. There is one we're not doing, which is just normal shredded chicken with no flavouring.
Boring.
That's for the boring people. Yeah, chip shop curry flavoured. Now you've seen probably, and you've probably tried them. They did chip shop curry nuggets as well, or chunks. They were nice. So I'm assuming these are going to be nice. 100% chicken breast fillet. And if you already watched the other video, I need to tell you again. If you ain't, then watch it. And what do we
It
say?
takes 6 million hours to cook.
I'm telling you. What we're doing?
Telling them.
What will they do?
Watch it.
What will they do?
I don't know.
You'll love it.
Oh.
You can't get the stuff. That's what they are.
If you paid a wage, I might be more on the ball.
You get a wage when you earn it. Otherwise, you're slaves.
Yes, thanks very much.
Chip shop curry. This is shredded chicken. As you can see, the bag's open. That's how many you get in it. It's open because they're already in the oven. It's probably in the oven. Even the oven's going,
Nice.
He's going, He's gone with a bag on now because he knows he's frozen. You watch in a minute when we start moshing them.
He'll be back, yeah.
Chip shop curry. That's all you can say about them. You'll see if you taste the chip shop curry and how nice they are.
They got any spice rating on them?
No.
No, so they'll be mild.
So yeah, these are korma strength. A load of ingredients. I can't tell you everything because there's a lot on there. And I think on this one, we should do a shameless plug of what we actually do because we ain't done it yet. Ages ago. So, I'll put the clip in now. Now we're going to eat these. So we'll see you in a mo.
Dynamo.
We're back. Cheers. Pint of beer in a mug. No, it ain't. It's coffee. Right. Reaper chicken fillet. No, it ain't. It's chip shop curry. We're eating them raw. No, we're not. They've been cooked.
Will you talk some sense?
Right. Chip shop curry.
Too hot in a minute.
First off, doesn't really smell of chip shop curry.
I haven't really sniffed. No. There's something there, but
What?
not much.
Yeah. It's not very strong flavour on them.
I can taste it, but it's very
Just
mild.
the batter. Right. You should have seen the salt and chilli ones. These ain't as good.
No. It's there the more you eat, but it's not strong.
I was expecting a full whack of chip shop curry flavour. Again, the chicken's nice.
It's coming through.
Do you know what it tastes like to me?
Chip shop curry.
Just curry powder. But it's not a very strong curry powder.
It is coming through the more you eat. Eat it slowly. See if you can get it. Oh no, here it comes. Not that slow.
Right. Chicken's cooked really nice again.
Kids would love these. They've got
Yeah.
enough flavour to say they've had a curry flavour, but not enough to be hot. It's very mild. Reminds me a bit of a katsu curry. Katsu Pringles. That's about how spicy they are.
Yeah. It's there. It's sweet as well. Right. If you eat korma or kids, you'll be able to eat these because there's no kick to them whatsoever.
No, they'd be perfect.
They're sweet to me, and there is a curry type flavour, but to me it's not strong enough.
You think about it, chip shop curry sauce normally has raisins in it, so it's got quite a sweet taste to it.
A lot of them don't put that in now,
Oh, long time since
but
I've
you
had
do get
them.
little bits in. It's apple,
Oh.
I think. Which I bet Steve likes because he has pineapple on everything. Hot pineapple. Anyway, rating for them. I'm giving them
I'm giving them a thumbs up.
an upper lip. I ain't done one of them for a long while. So, if you don't know what a thumbs upper is, it's not a full on, yeah, they get a thumbs up. That's an unsure, because it's like, I don't know if I like them or not. They're not that good, and that is, don't even bother. That's an upperly. They're worth buying, but to me, there's not enough curry flavour.
Yes, but you eat spicy food, so you perhaps can't taste it as much as someone who eats kormas would taste it.
Yeah, I mean, it don't have to be red hot, spice wise, but I just don't think there's enough curry flavour there. I don't know.
I think they're quite nice. They do what they say on the bag.
But somebody that don't eat a lot of spicy food will tell it more.
Yeah.
But it's there. I don't taste it now, but I think it's just a tad too sweet and not enough of the curry flavour. But I still recommend them. That's why they're getting an upper.
I would. For people who don't eat spicy food or just like a plain curry sauce, and for kids, I think they're perfect.
Yeah.
So yes, thumbs up for me. I'm not as fussy.
And I would buy them again. But I have to be picky. So yeah, there we go on that. It is the flavour, so I'm not saying they're bad. I would have preferred a bit more of the curry flavour, chip shop curry flavour, which may have helped counteract a bit of the sweetness as well. But they're getting a thumbs up, Ollie, so do go and get them. £3 a bag, worth it. Kids will love them, like you say. And anyone, even if you eat kormas, they're not going to be hot for you.
No, they're quite mild.
Thumbs up, Ollie.
Give them a bash.
We're done on that because we've got another lot in the oven. That's why you can hear it going. We'll see you later.
See you in a bit.